Hey there, it's Brittany. I'm back with an unboxing video. I've had these beads for quite a while and I'm just now opening the box. I'm so ashamed. I've had them for maybe 2 weeks, maybe a little bit less, but I just haven't had time to shoot a video or unbox them, but I really wanted to show you guys. It's a seller on eBay that you guys have seen before where I got my chevron and other bone beads. And they had a color mix and I can't remember how much this was. I think it might have been $55, but it's 50 strands. So I think it might have just been $50. I'm not sure. But anyway, either way, it's an amazing deal. It's they're all bone. And Goldie's making a ton of noise right now just because I don't have a bed in the bead room for her. It's in it's over by my computer. I have to move it throughout the day. She has 4 beds, but this one gets moved throughout the day. So now she's squirrely because it's not in the bead room. Sorry, but you're gonna have to go to sleep on the floor. Anyway, yeah, so let's get started. I'm gonna just open it up and we'll go through it. Looks like there's tons of yummy colors in here. You're not gonna be able to find the exact mix that I have right here, but I've seen some other mixes on their site and some of them are cheaper, some of them are more expensive. So it looks like these are in 2 different bundles of 25. And they just put them on a zip tie, but the cool thing is I can put them on a ring later if I'd like because these are they're strung on a ring. So I am gonna cut the zip tie though because I wanna pull these apart. Okay. Seeing some that are really exciting. I'm not going to spend a whole lot of time on each strand because they're just colorful. And sorry, my nails are so long. I need to cut those. Just like a navy blue strand. Ooh, pink. It looks like I have more than one of this strand. Cute little pink rondelles. Nice like coral peachy tube beads. Ooh, these look like coral, even though they're not. But I could use them in a necklace as filler for a coral necklace if I didn't want to use all coral beads. That's really cool. Now I'm getting ideas. This is the reason that I bought this mix. And the funny thing is, I should have bought, they had one a while back and I'm kicking myself that I didn't buy it and it had more of these in it. These are beautiful. They look like real turquoise. They're bone though. They're gorgeous. Oh, I just love those. I might have to go buy more. I know they have a lot of these that I might buy, and then I might de-stash some of them to you guys in my bead group. If you're not a member of my bead group, go ahead and join it. It's on Facebook, and it's called Brittany's Beads. We have a lot of fun over there. More that look like turquoise. I love these. Obviously, those are going to be my favorite. These are a little bit carved. They have like gashes in them. And I can't tell if is this brown or maroon. It's a neat color. It's like right between brown and maroon. Ooh, hot pink. That's my second favorite color. Maybe not this shade of hot pink, but hot pink is really awesome. I love it. You don't expect to see bone beads in this color. Ooh, a really pretty mustard. Couple of strands here. I love mustard, like in real life and the color. So I think that's really pretty. I haven't done very much with mustard on this channel, but I used to make mustard and gray necklaces all the time. A really pretty brown. These look like wood, but they're dyed bone or painted bone. Looks like I have 2 of that strand. You know what? I'm going to cut apart the other one because I keep grabbing ones from that one and they're not coming free. Okay. Like a little, I love that some of these look like wood, but they're not wood. I'm just going to try and grab all the ones that are similar. So these kind of look like that last one that I just showed you. I already showed you, so it looks like I have 2 of these. And I found 2 more Here's another one. So there's 3 of that one. I'll probably be just stashing some of those in my bead group. These I have more of. And then these are like the traditional bone colors here. 1 second. Couple different sizes. That's so fun. I haven't done any like tribal looking things lately. I need to. Another one of these pink ones. I really love these. I have to figure out how I'm going to store these. I'm thinking I'm going to have a couple drawers that are just dedicated to bone beads because of how many I've purchased. Not just these color ones, but I have, did I buy like 100 strands? I can't remember, of the brown and ivory color. I'll leave the link to that video below. Now we have some more standard bone color. Ooh, some more. I'm so excited. These look so much like coral, and these look fantastic. This is the shade of red that I like. You guys know I don't really like red, but I love coral red. Love it. Some smaller red ones. Still love that color. It's not as bright as the other color, but it's still in that same family. Some cool like drops. These are black. Those are awesome. Promise, guys, I'm doing some tutorial videos this weekend. I have one coming up for BB Craft, that latest unboxing that I did. I'm going to be showing you some stuff from that. And then I also am going to have a couple videos for Love Beads, the one that I showed you with that huge gemstone order. Oh, these are beautiful. Oh, these are, even though they're bone, like dyed, they look like sodalite to me. They're the exact same color blue. And with the lighter like white cream, it looks really good. I might find some sodalite beads to go with these. Actually, I'm trying to remember if Love Beads sent me sodalite beads. If they did, I might be using those. These are really cool. Ooh, I love this green. Oh, it's such a good green. It's like a little bit darker than chartreuse. And I love the splotches. Those are so fun. Oh, more blue. Loving that. More of the brown. They love that these look like wood. And the thing I really like about this lot is these are long strands. I think they're 15 or 16 inches. And they're nice filler because these cost maybe $1.25 a strand. I don't feel guilty using them. Or using a whole strand, I should say. These are really dark blue. Very cool. Some more traditional bone color. This is like a denim. It's a little lighter. It's like a cornflower color. Some more pink, like a corally pink. These are like a dusty gray blue. I love that. That makes me really happy. This would look really nice in like a C necklace. Like this with these would look fantastic on a C theme necklace. Oh, another, I'm so excited. I have so many of these because then I can really make a long necklace and use these in the back. And then another purple strand. And last but not least, another turquoise strand. This one's splotchy and it's like a teardrop shape. These are so neat. Oh my gosh, I am so happy with this lot. I'm gonna give you guys the name of the seller in the link below. They have a lot of awesome closeouts. So you're gonna see chevron beads there. You're gonna see bone beads, glass beads. And they usually have free shipping. So I highly recommend them. And I will also link video, my chevron and bone video, so you can see what those beads look like in my hands and not just the pictures from eBay. Let me know if you guys have any questions. I might go shop again on this website now that I see these beads. I know they had a lot that was just these, and I kind of want to get them and share the wealth and destash them in the bead group. So, ooh, did you guys see how pretty these two colors were together? Yummy. Okay, well, isn't that just a pretty picture? Look at all this yumminess. Thanks so much for watching. If you guys like beads, please subscribe, please like, and if you know anybody who is crazy about beads, share. And I hope you have a fantastic rest of your day. I'm going to attach a cute little video of my best friend Goldie. Have a good weekend. Bye-bye.